Kanban is powerful tool for managing workflow, improving efficiency by visualizing tasks, kasi nakalagay na natin yung task na gagawin, and limiting work in progress. So, nag-focus din siya sa continuously improvement. So, sa teams naman, ma-achieve mo yung better results and faster delivery. So, yun lang yung presentation.
Ang bebe ako may explain. Ang bebe, paano? Sige lang, ako lang.
Ayaw ko visit. Hindi nyo kasi sinabi.
Okay, since the reporter, since our reporter is, which is the Awan is marami. When I say just in time, is the word just in time. This is an inventory management strategy that ensures materials and products are produced or delivered only when needed. Katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, di ba? Once na yung product, halimbawa, ngayon kailangan yung product. So, the producer is, ngayon niya lang din gagawin yung product para sa ngayon lang na kailangan. Gets nyo? Yun naman yun just in time. Kumbaga, ngayon, yung product is ngayon kailangan, so ngayon lang din siya gagawin ng producer. Para malimit yung, kumbaga yung sobra na product para makapagbigay ang business ng quality of product.
Yung sample na mabibigay mo dito, method din kasi siya, so hindi siya ilang natin si Pakmugal. So yung just in time na yan, ang example ko dyan, yung red ribbon. Diba? Or di kaya bakery, or kung sino man yung nag-bake. So kung nag-order siya, or nag-bake siya ng mga cakes, so kung ano lang yung nakalagay doon, yun lang yung dapat na ibibenta nila. Or depende sa orders sa kanila. So yun yung tinatawag na just in time. Kumbaga, kung sinabi mo sa akin na ngayon ko gagawin mo ngayon. Or depende kung kailan mo in-schedule sa akin. Okay na? Okay, other question? Thank you. So, good morning everyone. Good afternoon everyone. So, advantages of lean management. Ngayon lang sinabi sa akin kanina. So, one of the advantages of lean management is cost decrease. Lean management is about maximization of progress. This means cutting costs within an operation as well as increasing revenue. While the overall selling price is impacted by various factors that depend on product qualities, there are things companies can do to control costs. Lean practices will help in cost reduction as well as savings that can be added to profit. So it means in lean management helps business to save money and focuses increasing profits by reducing costs. For example, sa balay, kapag nagtitipid tayo ng kuryente o tubig, maaaring liliit din ang ating bayarin sa ating mga bills. So in that way, we can spend less and mas magagamit natin ang iba, for example, sa sila to. So, magagamit natin sa ibang panating pangangailangan. So, in lean management, they also teaches how to cut unnecessary process or expenses. So, they can spend less and can give more than earning as profit. So another advantages example is customer interaction enhancement. Lean management begins with a customer's viewpoint in mind, in which they communicate with staff, responsiveness to concerns, and experiences with the product are some leading drivers of eliminating wasteful practices. So in lean management, they also focuses on understanding and improving the customer experiences, like making employees making sure making sure employees communicate well to the consumer and respond quickly to any concerns, and making sure customers get help quickly and find